Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Model Wheel. We're going flying. Yes, the Lancaster Bomber Dam Buster. And I've got 39 right in front of me, so let's get straight into that. .39 as you can see right there. And we're testing the propellers, as you can see. We're testing both of them. I've got them at the ready right there. And this is a little bit more about the defensive armament of the Lancaster. And the B-29 Super Fortress, one of the other ones. And next we're going to build a propeller again. So let's get stage 39 out and build that little thing. So I think we've got a I'm quite sure we've got a battery box, 3 batteries in, which I had at the ready. Sorry about the noise, and you can take any kind of batteries you like. Let's close this up and make sure it's on off. Let's get that one out first. And that won't stay on. That's a pity. Well, it's just for the test of it. Let's see. We connect the big one right here. We connect that one to the one right next to it. I don't know why that is not working. Is it too heavy? Because if I do that, it turns. Well, let's try the other one. This one, it does spin, but I think it's this one. That sounds a little bit better than the other one. Well, there you go. As you can see, this one turns really nicely and can turn the other way as well. All right. Happy with that one, not happy with the other one. Well, there you go. I'm gonna let it turn. What a little oil does. I'm happy. Well, that was something. That whole circuit board is hot, or at least warm. Okay, with mine, it happened that you heard it turn really fast, and nothing happened. And then I put a little oil on it and helped it a bit. And now I'm putting everything back on. Both propellers we have work. Sorry about the cough. Because that previous one is working. And stage 40 is right here. Let me show you the magazine. That's because these are nice. These are really nice. As you can see, stage 40. The second propeller, and we've done this one before, but it's always nice. There's a little jig for putting everything together to put the wings in and stuff like that. We get one again. We have one already, And this is what we do. And then the Lancaster KB944, as you can see, dropped quite a lot of bombs right there. Radio on Essen, March 1, 1942. Ooh, we're getting big things in next. That's nice. So let's make that propeller. We've got everything at the ready here. This one feels slightly less weighty than the other one, so we might have a try putting everything together again with a less weightier one on the one that was hard to put together to get to move. All right. Logic knows that we have to put these together properly, and that we're putting that one in the middle. Now you see me go quiet again because it's not working as I thought it would, and I almost stuffed one up. Best thing to do is put that one in first, like so, the two, the ring and the propeller, and then push the two. So we've got this all together. As you see that jig there, as you can see, we need to put that one in first, push it all the way down, then we can put these back in. Alright, we've got those all on, and then we push these on with an AP. This is taking more time than I thought it would, so let's loosen this up and see if these work. Let's put them on, and then I oil them up a bit. Okay, let's put a drop of oil on these rings. No, that mechanism that is in there, it doesn't work. But that's not the biggest problem. I think it's got to do with the fact that I broke one. Perfectly fine. I did touch one of these things here, and it got really hot on my finger. Alright, well, with a lot of hassle, we've put that together, and on the other one, if you turn that, it would work properly. But at this one, it won't do. Well, it's too bad. This is the better propeller of the two, because that works fine. I don't know why this one is not doing what it's supposed to be. But that's this stage done as well. That was that. It was a pretty hard one. I had a bit of a hassle with that propeller trying to get it to move, but just hitting it and it started up. It looks like there is a little something in there that makes it spin slowly and then faster and faster and faster, which is nice because that is what usually how these motors start up. So thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on the Lancaster Bomber or any of the other ones that you see in the background or on my channel. So thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.